Here I've got Maze Comet, and let me show you how to change the font size on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and pick display. Now go to the bottom of the list where you will notice font size and display size. Let's open font size at first, and now simply by typing on this scale you can change the size of your font. As you can see, it has been already updated. You can also change the display size by tapping on display size, and here you can change it. This is how it will look like, so let me go back. Now the icons will be pretty huge. And that's actually it. If you would like to go back to default settings, simply open the settings one more time, go to display, scroll down to the bottom, pick the display size, go back to the default settings, and also change the font size to default one. And that's it. As you can see, you're now back in default settings. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.